In order for you to answer this question, it is not necessary for you to draw a table of values to draw a graph. Instead, you can use this method, which is much faster. Firstly, remember that the equation for a straight line is written in the form y equals mx plus c. M is the number that represents the gradient. C is the number that represents the y-intercept. In other words, it is where the straight line cuts the y-axis. Step 1. Plot the y-axis. In this case, the straight line cuts the y-axis at -1. Step 2. We know that the gradient is positive since it is the number 2 in front of the x and not -2. Therefore, it will slope upwards. Step 3. The equation for the gradient of a straight line is changing y divided by changing x. We know the gradient is 2, so we know that changing y divided by changing x has to equal 2. Therefore, replace y and x with values that will divide to give you 2. In this case, we can use the numbers 2 divided by 1. This equals 2. For the y-intercept, count 1 square along the x-axis, then 2 squares up the y-axis. Step 4. Draw a line with this gradient starting from the y-intercept, then extend your line right across the graph. Don't forget to label the line with its equation.